score the good marks, okay, in any examination, particularly since this channel is about the biology, okay. So we will focus on biology, okay, how you can score good marks. Okay student, biology is very easy topic, okay, but to secure good marks you have to have the clear concept, okay. So please invest in the time, okay, invest your time in developing your concept. If your concepts are clear, then obviously you will get the good mark, okay. The second strategy is, I always insist this and I always try to make the videos in the point wise format, okay. Why? Because the writing point wise, if you're writing something point wise, then the examiner who is checking your answer sheets, they know that you know this, right, and you don't want to fill your sheets unnecessary, and so you are writing to the point answer of the questions, okay. So this is very important that you have to write point wise. Third, it is always good to draw the images, pictures, and flowcharts, okay, wherever necessary. So this will save your time also students. So if you know something and like it's very lengthy, then you can just simply draw the exercise. The only thing the examiner is looking when it is they are checking your examining paper is that you know the answer of particular question or no, okay. So if you write point wise, then it is clear to the checker that you know the concept, okay. And if it is a lengthy question and you draw images or the pictures or the flowchart, then also the examiner will like he don't have to read tons of pages, right. So he will just know that you know the concept. He will just it will make it easy for him to check it, okay. So this will fetch you more marks, okay. And how you can develop the clear concept, student, there is no shortcut, okay, no shortcut. You have to invest your time in studying, okay. So learn every day, okay. But learning enough alone is not enough to get the good grades, okay. You have to learn every day, and then you should have a sort of timetable, okay. You have to follow. And student, before now if you are learning, okay, and you have a timetable also, do you think you will get a good marks? Okay, you may, but you will definitely get if you revise it daily. Revision is must, okay. Why revision is must, student? Because you know, like our body, why we are doing daily brush, okay, why we are brushing, or why we are cleaning ourselves, why we are taking daily bath. Already we have you can say that I have done the brushing or the bathing yesterday only, but why? Because this is necessary. So sir, same is with the study, okay. So you have to learn every day. You have to have a timetable, okay, so that you can follow it, and you have to revise it on the daily basis, okay. So the revision is must. So if you see any topper, you will just ask him that what makes it successful, okay. Then he will just say, okay, I learned a lot, I already have the clear concept. Only if you have clear concept, then only you can write point wise, right? Because we know, okay, we have to start from here, we have to end from here, then only you can write point wise, okay. And so you have to learn every day, you have to make timetable, you have to revise. Another very good strategy for board exam student is, okay, those who are appearing for the board exam, it is very crucial that in addition to this, you need to solve the previous year question paper, okay. Why the previous year question paper solving is very important? Because you know, the from one particular chapter, there is like 5 important topics. So those 5 important topic will stay important forever, okay. So the examiner will ask the question from important topics only, okay, in one way or in another way, okay. So revising the previous board exam paper, it will give you the idea of the important topics, okay, so that you can learn it and then you can appear into the examination, okay. The fifth point is that you need to clearly divide your syllabus, okay. So divide your syllabus accordingly. So now students, the new classes has started now. This is the right time. So in general, like if you have a 10 chapter, okay, I will help you, okay, how to divide your syllabus. Okay, so student, if you have 10 chapters, so almost your academic year, okay, it will consist of more than 9 months. Okay, so see, you have student enough time. Okay, so if you complete one chapter in 1 month, then you can complete 9 chapter. But right, so if you complete your, if you have 9 month, okay, for your school study, okay, and you have 10 chapter, and if you study 2 chapter in a month, then you will finish your complete syllabus in 5 months only. Okay, but this 5 month looks so easy, but completing your chapter in 2 chapter in 1 month, okay, is not so easy. It become easy when you will have a continuous timetable. Okay, so you have to study continuously. Student, you cannot break the rock. Always remember, okay, you cannot break the rock in one day. Okay, also remember this quote that Rome is not built in one day. Okay, so if you want to break something, you have to just apply daily pressure, right? Then only you can break something so easily. So there is, student, you have to keep in mind, there is no shortcut to success. You have to invest your time. Okay, no shortcut to success. And I told you, just invest your time. You have to read it. You have to develop a clear concept of any topic. There is no other way. I will suggest my student to read, to make their own notes. Okay, rather than watching the YouTube. You can watch YouTube videos. Okay, you can take help of them, but it is always better to make your notes. Okay, why? Because the print media, this is one of the very great tip. Okay, I got it from my teacher and I am giving it to you, that print media is always the better source, okay, for learning than the audio or the video media, okay, than the visuals. So the visual looks so attractive, it will help you to learn. Okay, but remember that in the long term your brain will always remember about the print media. So it is, you can take help of the educational videos. Okay, study video you can watch. Okay, you can just watch the YouTube also, you can take tuitions also, but unless and until you make your own notes, they are of no use. Okay, so I always insist to my student that always take the help of any education tool, any education media, but unless you are preparing your notes, it's waste. Okay, so prepare your notes, and the best strategy I already told you, that always make your notes point wise. Okay, and point wise only you can make when you have that clear cut concepts. Okay, student, so these are the few strategies, so how you can score your good grade in your examinations. Okay, so thank you for watching this live stream.